Jaguar keys at 17, baby.
Just 4 months ago, we were making $0, and we slowly started making a bit of money from $30 a day, 20 bucks a day, 50 bucks a day, and now we're making 200, 300 a day, and yeah, we're about to scale to a K a day.
Not only am I making 300 bucks a day net on average, but I'm really soaking up the mindset of these wealthy people, man.
Just 1 year ago today, I could never imagine that I would be in Paris with my brand new Louis Vuitton bag that I just purchased from Louis Vuitton in Paris and a sick Ferrari. But this is my reality, guys.
I am blessed, baby. I am blessed. Look at all this.
For all y'all out there, Wesley has changed my life at 17. All praises to the Most High, baby.
Just wanted to give a huge shout out to Wesley $1 Billion Virgin for teaching me all the wealth attraction techniques and mind hacks that I've been able to use to scale my business to 7K this month.
By the grace of God, I came across Wesley Virgin. It turned me around 180 degrees.
It has been an amazing, amazing journey.
It was a perspective of like that I'd never seen before. And when I started applying it, things changed. I started to get newer opportunities.
It just changed my life. It changed my life. I went from negative to positive within a matter of weeks.
Have been like a catalyst to my dreams, you know, to my goals and to my higher self, to my best version of me.
Listen, guys, this stuff works and it really changed my life.
It was the best thing that ever happened to me. It truly saved my life. Truly saved my life.
Thank you, Wesley, so much. I really appreciate your content and thank you for the things that you're doing. And yes, guys, this stuff is legit. If you apply it to your life and you're really serious, it will work for you, but you have to make it work for you.
Thank you, Wes. You're an amazing person. You're blessed, and thank you. You have made an impact in my life that anyone have made before.
I owe a great deal of appreciation and gratitude to Wesley $1 Billion Virgin.
And it's all because I decided to learn more and get these mind hacks. You see, just 1 year ago today, I was struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, and I didn't know there was a way out. Luckily, I decided to take that risk and click that link below, and in weeks, my entire life changed. You too can do this. This life is not meant to suffer and work hard. You just need to work smarter, not harder. So if you want to live your best life, I suggest you get these mind hacks, click learn more, because the time is now, baby. Let's go.